want to welcome to the Cleaning and Pest Control Business Owner Staff Summit. You won't clap. You are not happy. You are the first set. You are the first set. You are the first set, and guess what? It means a lot. You'll be surprised after this what this is actually going to, give you. So now this is the Cleaning and the Pest Control Business Owner Staff Summit. Okay, is what is all about empowerment. Empowerment, and what we have been saying since morning is all about empowerment. Empowering cleaners in Nigeria. And one thing that you need to understand today, we're going to be talking mostly about the cleaning. We're going to have another one that is actually going to be about the pest control, yeah? And that's the thing, because this is actually meant to be a 2-day summit, but we are starting with just 1 day. It's meant to be 1 day for cleaning and the next day for what? For the pest control. That's where it's meant to be. But we're having a 1-day cleaning summit, so I'm sure that by the time you finish, you'll be looking forward to the next pest control summit, because you want to be what? You want to be involved with it. Now, what does it mean? What it means simply is that it's a premier event that brings together the industry leaders. For you to have actually been here, it simply means your business is an industry leader, because your business, your company has made their mind to do what? To send you for training. And if they send you for training, it simply means they are what? They are industry leader in what they are doing. And I've already told you about myself, that my name is Damilola Olorun Sade. So that's my name. You can always follow me also on Cleaners Pest Coach Africa. Definition of cleaning and the 7 types of cleaning agents. Are we getting something? Yeah? Are we getting something? Is it getting there? By the time you are like, go get back to your work now, you're on fire. Yeah? You're on fire and you are looking at things differently. Now, let's look at what cleaning is. Now, by definition, cleaning is a process of removing dirt, grime, and other unwanted substances from surfaces to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Another definition will tell you that cleaning, is a process of removing dirt, soil from surfaces. When I say soil, I don't mean soil like a Greek soil. Okay? There's soil in cleaning, stains, we're talking about, okay? When you're saying in cleaning. So because when you're going to be buying products, you will notice that they will say, this is for a particular soil. A particular soil. So what they are saying in essence is for a particular stain. So now, one thing is that there are 7 common types of cleaning agents used in the industry, in the cleaning industry. There are 7 types. And so we have natural soap, we have synthetic detergents, we have abrasive, we have alkaline, we have solvents, which is the inorganic and organic, and we have acid cleaners. John or Femi, please, can you get me abrasive cleaner if we have we have inside that place. Abrasive cleaner, sieve, deep action, get me all those cleaning chemicals. Now, each type has specific properties, and they are used to cater for different kinds of needs. Now, you need to understand this, that water is a cleaning agent. Water is a cleaning agent. If there's no water, that's why you see that when there's no water, we need to now start looking for water. We're always upset, because I even hate it that they'll be telling clients, that they'll be telling us to go and fetch water. I hate it. Always tell our clients, please, we are not slaves. Help us. It's just sometimes. Now, natural soap. Do you know that black soap that we use? Do you know that it's black soap for cleaning? That's Oshedudu. Yes. Because the liquid black can actually be used for cleaning. How? You can use, because why? It has a bit of soap, it has a bit of surfactant inside. That can actually be used also to even like. But the only thing is that it's not going to give you a very good shine. Now, for your soap also, the soap, we use it also to wash hand. Synthetic detergents. We have detergent like even like your what they call it now? Your clean. But the point is your synthetic detergent now is not meant to be for your floor. It's not going to make your floor. We have abrasive, like your sieve, deep action. How many people know deep action? Your deep action is an abrasive cleaner. So if they're talking about deep action, now deep action has several. Deep action have several things. Now you can know that if you're now looking at sieve, how many people know sieve? CIF. When you go out, that's why sometimes we use deep action. It will not remove one rust, but you now use backkeeper. Your backkeeper will remove that rust because your backkeeper has higher pH. There's something called pH, hydrogen ions. You understand? That's why in your cleaning kit, your boss must have provided different abrasive cleaner. So if you have your deep action is not working, you move to what? Another one. Maybe your sieve is going to work for that particular thing, or you move to another one. Maybe your backkeeper is going to work, for it. So that's the way we have all this abrasive cleaner. It's just like maybe when you go out also you want to clean the floor and you have rust. I remember there was a rust that at Ikoyi, and that rust could not remove because it has actually entered into all the, into the tiles. So there are some rust like that. But there's some rust that you just using deep action on it, it will remove. Yes, it will remove. There are some rust you just using, you understand, even backkeeper, it will remove. Now, another type of cleaners that we have, is, we have what we call the alkaline cleaner. Alkaline. The alkaline cleaner are your polish remover. Polish remover, which we are going to show you some of the chemicals. Polish remover. And your degreaser. Your degreaser. That your degreaser is also can also remove. And like the name says, degreaser. So it removes what? Grease. So anytime you are like, if your boss gives you any products, read the back, okay? And it's going to be able to tell you what exactly is meant to be used for. If you have a degreaser now, a degreaser also can remove even some stains like even rust when you use it. But there are some stains that it will remove. So that's why you will notice that in your kits, your boss will have different, so that when that one doesn't work, you have to like go to the next stage. But you will start from the lowest to what? To the highest. Are you getting it? Lowest to the highest. And that is the way, you just get a very good hold of removing stains from surface. And we have what we call the acid cleaner. Acid cleaner. Now, with your acid cleaner, yeah, your acid cleaner now is not the O4. When we are talking about eco-friendly products, yeah, they will not destroy the environment and they will not destroy you as what? As a cleaner, as a professional cleaner. That's what I want to let you know. The reason why we are not allowed to use O4 in the industry again is simply because of our health. Because of our health. And because it can actually, because I'm sure some of us know O4. When you pour O4 on the ground and you now see the way the whole room, you understand, with the smoke coming out, that smoke alone, let me tell you, make sure that you have your nose mask in place. Because as a woman, that is a young woman, you understand, it can even affect fertility when you use the wrong chemicals. That's what a lot of us don't know. That when they are telling you to use eco-friendly, now I'm like, madam, leave that one. Let me use this one, it will kill everything. Let's mix everything together. Abi, Joseph, make we mix them together. If you put everything together like this, it go plenty, it go kill them. It go kill them very well. The point is you are just killing yourself also. You are the one that will spray now. Thank you, go do the work fast. But yeah, are you not the one that will spray it? You are the one that will spray it. Now, madam, go do them. Don't be madam now. So that's why it's essential, you understand, that you do what? You do a proper, when your madam or your CEO is actually saying we are moving to eco-friendly and they are buying you eco-friendly product, don't say that I'm not going to use it, it's going to make my work slow. That's what all of you are always saying. It makes it slow. I know so many people that say that a lot. They just like, you're going to be, madam, please, no. Don't mind the mobile. Use all four. When we put all four on the tiles like this, it will remove. Put scrubber, we don't finish the work. But you are cleaning yourself very well. Don't worry. You are cleaning yourself. And that's why that eco-friendly is very important. Very important. You take your time and you'll be able to do it, and you do it properly. So let's have a recap about the different types of what? Of cleaning agents. We have water, natural soap, synthetic detergents, abrasive cleaner, alkaline, acid. There's another one. Solvents. Well done. Solvents. And that solvents can be your organic or your inorganic. Now, those solvents also can actually also be when it comes to what you use in cleaning upholstery. It comes under that. Upholstery. They come under that. So when you understand this thing, you will notice as in, you will now start having interest even in cleaning more. Because now it makes it easier for you when you are at the site and you are looking for what to use at every point in time. We have eco-friendly acid cleaners. Now, the point is, the reason why O4 is not formulated. What do I mean by formulated? O4 is raw chemical, raw H2SO4. That's what O4. Now, we have formulated acid cleaners. Do you know that your toilet cleaner, Harpic, is an acid cleaner? Harpic is an acid cleaner. That even if you want to, sometimes when we are at the site and there's nothing, if you put that your Harpic, you go remove stain, no. You know, you go remove the stain. Even that your Harpic is what is your acid. So we have some formulated acid cleaner. Formulated acid cleaner that is not corrosive like what you have O4. It depends on what surface you want to use. We use acid cleaners, you understand, for several things in the industry. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not that we don't use acid in the cleaning industry. We use acid in the cleaning industry, but we use formulated acid in the cleaning industry. That will not affect us. So we have different brand names. There's Jangro. We have also for Evans. Evans have acid cleaner. They have acid cleaners, that you can always use. That they are formulated. So their pH has been reduced. The pH, that hydrogen ion, what will make it very tough, like in your toilet cleaner, is actually reduced compared to what you are going to be using when you are doing post-construction. So when you are doing post-construction, we have what we call cement dissolver. That cement dissolver is an acid cleaner. But the pH of that one is now what? Is higher compared to what you are going to be using in your toilet cleaner. You understand? So now sometimes when you are at the post-construction cleaning too, yeah, and you need to remove some, on some tiles, all tiles can you use acid. Never use acid on marble floor. You will destroy it. Don't ever use acid on marble. When you see marble floor, I think we are having a training on floor care, so we are going to be talking about all that. Don't ever use. That's why sometimes when you take O4 and it will now pour and it will destroy the surface. Don't. Because if you do, it's a big problem. So all those things are very what? They are corrosive. So there are different acid cleaner for different purposes. Yeah? Different acid cleaner for different purposes. Any other question? So let's look at the different products that we have here. So we have water, like distilled water. We have softened water, your type of water that we have. And we have deionized water, okay? Now, we have natural soap also, like your casting soap, your vegetable-based soap. Your vegetable-based soap is our black soap. It's vegetable-based. We have also glycerin-based soap. Now, we have the synthetic detergents, like your laundry detergents, your dish soap. That's why when some of us are using dish soap too, as a professional, you are taking dish soap and you want to go and use it to clean the floor. And the client is now saying that the floor is not shining or it will be dulling over time. I don't know if you have noticed when you use all this dish soap to wash plates and that's what you are using to clean the floor. Over time, It's not going to be shining. You know, and you're not like it's not shining, it's not shining. It's not going to shine, no. Because it's not actually made for floor. There are chemicals that are made for floor. You understand? And they are called like your neutral cleaners. And you will see them that they will write neutral floor cleaners on it. Neutral floor cleaners on it. Now, we have also abrasive. Abrasive like your scoring powders, your scoring powder like your deep action. Sieve. This is the deep action. So this deep action, because this one is very, very common. So they are different types. We have barkeepers, also. We have CIF, your alkaline cleaner. We have your ammonia, your lye, your washing soda. We have Django polish remover. We have degreaser. All those ones are what? They are your alkaline. Now, your inorganic solvents, like your bleach, is an inorganic solvent. Hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide, you can actually use it also for your upholstery cleaning. Now, hydrogen peroxide, even the one they sell even in the chemist, pharmacy shop, yeah, you can actually use it for upholstery. You know how to really dilute it properly. Yeah, but yes, but they're there. So hydrogen peroxide, yes, so. And so very, very easy, but you must be very careful if you're using it on carpet to remove stain. Yeah? Now, isopropyl alcohol. Alcohol, even when you're doing as in you're like your methanol. Your methanol, you can use it that also when you're doing bed bug treatments. Now, your Django carpet stain remover also is what is an inorganic solvent that you actually use to remove stains on carpets, on upholstery. And we have all these organic solvents like your thinner, your acetone, your mineral spirit. All those ones are also what they are your. Now, why do we need all these things? The reason why we need it is because when you are buying products or you are giving products to go and use, you'll be able to know what they are. So when you are seeing all this kind of thing, that's why you must know it. And you have it on your phone. So when you see it on the product, you're not like, oh, okay, I was taught, okay, this one is this one is this. Okay, I can use this one for this one. I can use this one for this one. That's the essence of actually knowing all these type of cleaners. And if you have all this type, if you notice, this is really everything you need in your kits for you to have a very good cleaning. If you are doing post-construction, you will need acid. If you are doing residential cleaning, you go need acid for your toilet. So can you see that? If you create a kit, everything is actually there. So when you go out to go and clean, you understand, you will definitely do what? It means that you won't have to be going up and down and be saying that, I need this, I need that, because you already have all the things that you need to be able to do the job. Do you understand? You understand now? Yeah, very well. Now, definition of cleaning services. Definition and types of cleaning services. Cleaning services refers to the professional provision of cleaning and sanitation activities for residential, commercial, or industrial properties. Now, let me make it very simple. Remember, we said cleaning is the process of removing unwanted substances, yeah, from a surface like soil, like grime, like dirt. Yeah. Now, when we are talking about service simply means rendering of help. You want to help someone. So you'll be hearing people say that I'm a doctor, I'm rendering what? I'm a doctor, I'm rendering a service. You will see an engineer is rendering a service. We cleaning companies too, we are rendering a service. Now, when they now ask you what's the definition of a cleaning service, what it simply means is cleaning service is the process of removing unwanted substances, you understand what, from what, a surface. The process of you removing it. You are helping them to what, to remove it. Remember we said service is help when you join both of them together. From a residential space, from a commercial space, that's what you're actually like doing. Now, and of course we have different kinds of cleaning, which you must know so that when they are telling you that you are going to do what cleaning, you will know exactly what kind of cleaning you're going for. So for example, if they tell you that cleaning, we have what we call the residential, And we have what we call the commercial cleaning, the residential and the commercial cleaning. Residential and commercial. Now, that residential cleaning also, you have what we call the, you have under the residential cleaning, yeah, you have what we also call the basic and the deep cleaning. The basic and the deep cleaning. So that's why sometimes maybe your boss will tell you that you are going to actually have a deep cleaning, you are going to have a basic cleaning. So when you hear that, when it's a basic cleaning, you do not have to go extensively. You are not taking your bed away. What it simply means is you are just going with your mop and your bucket, you are going with your toilet cleaner, you are going with your floor cleaner. You understand? That's your basic. Just the normal day-to-day cleaning that even the owner can do, but because the owner is busy. Now, but when you're talking about your deep cleaning is extensive when compared to what you have to do in what? In your basic cleaning. Now, you see these two things, basic and deep cleaning, there's something we call also leave-in cleaning. Leave-in. So we have leave-in basic cleaning. They're already living there. So it's your normal basic cleaning. Now, they will now tell you that if they want to do move-in cleaning because it's an empty house. It's an empty house and they want to clean that space. Now, under that moving cleaning, again, you can also have your deep moving cleaning. The client will now say that they want you to bring what? Your machines. That's a deep one. Because why? Maybe they have stains on the floor and they want you to restore that floor. Now, the client might say, I don't have that money. I want a basic what? Moving cleaning. So that one, you just take your mop and your buckets. The prices are different. Are you getting it now? So anytime your boss tells you all that now, so at least you understand what they are actually saying at every point in time. Now, to those of you that will be working in apartments, because I know some people are going to be working in Airbnbs here. Your Airbnb, once you are going to be doing your Airbnb, you're going to be doing more or less like almost both. There will be times because maybe like every 2 weeks, you are going to be doing like a deep cleaning and you are also going to be doing a basic cleaning. You know, your basic cleaning is your normal everyday. Before the client comes in, you know, to come into the room, you have actually cleaned the plates, you have laid the bed, you understand? But like every month or every 2 weeks, you are now going extra, where you are going to be doing deep cleaning using equipment to actually do that. You understand? So there are different ways. To those of you that will be doing that are doing the housekeeping for apartments, I think we're having the training next week for the apartment training for Airbnbs. Now, you need to understand also the post-construction. We have what we call also the specialized cleaning at the your upholstery cleaning, your floor care, your window cleaning, your facade. Facade cleaning simply means cleaning of the outside window. Like all those outside windows that you see in banks, very high, all those high-rise buildings, those are your facade cleaning, not facade. So I know that's when some of you, F-A-C-A-D-E, it's not facade. You are professional so that you don't go and tell client facade. And they will now be like, facade, what is facade? It's facade cleaning, okay? So facade cleaning. All those things is what makes you different. So because these are the terminologies you need to be using as professionals. So when you are talking, they are now like, levels, so facade cleaning. Okay, levels. Oh, are we doing, you are going for inspection, you go for the inspection, we're going to be having facade cleaning here, you are checking everywhere. Okay, and you're not like, what is facade? You now go and say facade. I'm telling you, they just know that you people, you ras. That's so, also customized solutions. Successful cleaning company often offer customized solutions to meet the unique needs, ensuring they tailor. So some clients might just tell you that, oh, I just want you to come and clean just kitchen. They don't want to clean the whole house, only kitchen. So you are customizing what they are cleaning for them at every point in time. Difference between professional and road cleaner. Difference between a professional and road cleaner. And one thing you need to understand is that this is what is going to make you unique compared to every other person. Now, difference between professional and road cleaner. A professional cleaner Definitely formally trained. Like what you are doing now is that you are formally trained. You are now being trained, you get a certificate, so you are a professional cleaner. You are not a roadside cleaner. So if anybody is going to price you low, you're going to tell them that no, I'm not. You can't price me low because I'm well trained, and that's the truth. You are well trained because why? The definition of a profession is as in a professional simply means that the person is highly skilled, and you are skilled. We are doing a skilled job because we are getting trained with it. Yeah, and now, so now, if it's a road cleaner, is informal or self-taught or may lack what? Specialized training. Now, protocols, using specialized equipment and cleaning products for efficiency and effective results if you're a professional cleaner. Because why? You are using equipment. But a roadside cleaner has to carry mop and buckets now. That's true now. So you are not. So they often refer, they are relying on basic tools and materials. Now, a professional cleaner adhere to strict quality standard and standard operating procedures. So, a professional cleaner, when they tell you that you need to follow policies, when they tell you that this is how we want to be working now, we want to have a standard operating procedure of how we'll be working. The reason is so that in case if you are promoted, someone else will come into that space, yeah, and will just pick up from where you left it. So your company will actually write everything, how you are going to be operating. They put it into pictures, they put it maybe by video, they put it and they are letting you see it every now and then. That's a standard operating procedure. And that's what a professional, cleaner does. And of course, a professional cleaner also provides comprehensive cleaning services. When you're a professional cleaner, you don't use rubbish products now. When you get there and you are doing your inspection, you are inspecting like a professional. You get to a space, you are meant to go and inspect for maybe a residential. You are not looking at that residential and you're just walking. Good afternoon, ma. I'm here to clean. I want to inspect. Abba. When you're a professional cleaner, the way you even carry yourself means so much before you come out of your levels. You know, you don't. Some of you will do like this. In our person, that's rude. You put your hands down. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma. My name is Damilola Olorunsade. We are here to inspect your space, ma. Let me tell you, there's a difference between good morning, ma. You have a mobile, you go to inspect. There's a difference now, darling. But there's a difference. Oh, good afternoon, ma. My name is Matthew, ma. I'm from A Mobile Cleaning Services. I'm the cleaning technician to actually clean your space today. And of course, we are here to clean your home. And by the time we finish your home, oh, mama, you will know that, yes, A Mobile don't arrive. Can you see? Let me tell you. Oh, my God. Let me tell you, before you even know it, that cleaner, I mean, that customer will just be like, are you okay now? Let's see what you will do. I don't fumble because you don't, that alone, but that alone, we just like, these people, you people are different because they are looking at you. Oh, you get there. Oh, good afternoon, ma. Yes, ma. My name is Damilola. Um, we're from here. We are from A Mobile Cleaning Services, and you are bringing out your documents, you understand, for your cleaning, as in you want them to, because you want them to sign your documents when they finish. Don't, when they give you documents, our team, they do it. That's why I'm putting them there, because so that they can hear. When they give you documents to sign, it's for what? It's for us to be able to grow the company. Because we want them to what? To be able to sign that document for us. So when they sign the document, they will not tell us that we did not clean well. That's the reason why some of them will tell us that we didn't clean well. But when you get there, immediately you get there and the document is actually given from the office. And they're now telling you that, yes, this is the document. Oh, good afternoon. My name is Juwon. We're here to actually do an inspection. And today we are going to be checking for general pest control. And the general pest control, what the general pest control is going to be covering today is mosquitoes. It's going to cover cockroaches. There's no harm in you actually reading it. It's going to cover cockroaches. By the time you do it over and over again, you'll be very good. You won't have to read it. And he said, oh, okay. So, and if you have maybe like some 5 or 10 minutes, if you don't mind, I can actually, if you want to walk me around the house, I'll be able to show you, to check And if the client say, oh, I don't have time. Okay, ma, no problem. I will make sure that I give it on my reports. And when I'm leaving, please, ma, who can actually sign the document for me? Let me tell you, they want to sign it because they know that you have come for inspection. And you know why? It makes your company to what? To be different. It simply means that by the time they give the report back, that client will know that I'm paying for what? Value. You are giving a value that is different from a roadside. But the challenge is that when some of you just get there, good morning, ma. Even your shoes are dirty, very dirty, and even you yourself, you are not even your trousers, you didn't iron it. But before you know, your everything is good morning, ma. I came, ma. I want to, ma. We are going somewhere, oh. Ma, we won't do this place again, no. Let me tell you, you are failed now. You are not a professional. You are not. You are a roadside cleaner. So why? And so you will collect roadside money. So can you see the reason why some of us are collecting roadside money? That's why some of our companies are collecting roadside what? Money. But if you want to be a professional cleaner, from your hair, you put out time, make your hair look good. If you know that your hair is not made, go and look for very nice, lovely scarf that meets the color of what? Of your uniform. So that when you tie the scarf like this, they'll now be like, it looks nice. Not that you just carry the hair and they'll just be running away from you. Some of you, you have dreads, you are guys, you have dreads. You won't go and go and cut it. Stop, go and cut it if you don't have money to go and be doing it like Matthew. Cut it out. Go and cut it. And Michael, go and cut it. If you know that you don't have money, just go and cut your hair. So that you look nice, you look good. Because don't let it be that when you enter their house, they are looking at you like, hey. This one goes stiff. This one goes stiff. This one like look like one of them. Thank you. This one look like one of them. Oh. Look like one of them. Oh. And they will know that you don't look like them. But if you do the hair properly, you'll now be like, hey. If you see the dreads where the guy brings, oh my God. I don't sure say this one is clean out. I don't know. Some of you, your beards will be dirty, Go and look for a blade. If you can't keep beards, go look for a blade. Come on the blade. Come on the beards. So that it shouldn't be rough. We don't want rough beards again in this industry. You're not professional. You want to look clean. Make sure, go and shave it, look clean. When you even get there, when you're talking, they are not, they are saying that money. So by the time you are even saying that, oh, sorry, ma, I think the company is we're going to be charging 250,000. Okay. And it's too much. Oh. What's your budget, ma? Can I pay 240? Okay, no problem. Because they'll be afraid to even price you down. They'll be afraid though. They'll be like, but they will know that you will do a good job. And when you now get the job, you put your best because you understand the vision of the company. That's the difference between when you are a professional cleaner. Maintains a professional, courteous, and customer-centric attitude, not an attitude of area boy. If you want to join area boy, you go outside. There's a way. When they want to answer you, but when you want to work, you work in the office, you know that your head must be correct. If you know that, yes, you take banja, you take anything. Nobody's saying that you shouldn't take anything. But when you're at work, don't take anything. Take anything outside because it's a customer you are coming into their house and they don't want to smell anything inside their house. Even if they like anything, it doesn't mean that you two should come and take anything. You understand? It doesn't mean. Now, let's look at the different roles. The different roles in cleaning. Cleaning technician. And that's who we are. So I want you, out of all this thing, I will ask you which one you want to be called or which one do you think you want to be called. Now, a cleaning technician, highly trained professionals who use specialized equipment and follow strict protocols to provide comprehensive cleaning services, and they adhere to what? Industry standards. That's a cleaning technician. They are highly trained professionals and they use equipment. So if you can't use equipment here, you're not a technician. So, and there's no harm in it. You don't have to be. You just want to create. That means you can create a role. You can just be someone that, yes, this is who I am in the cleaning industry. I'm a cleaning technician. Now we have housekeeper. Housekeepers are responsible for cleaning and maintaining the cleanliness of residential or commercial properties like Airbnbs. So we have some like they're joining, they're starting an Airbnb here. I think yourself, you're working an Airbnb, you're working in an Airbnb. You know, you are an housekeeper because you are responsible for cleaning and maintaining what the cleanliness of residential or commercial properties. Sometimes also you can also double up, yeah, as a cleaning technician, and you can double up as what as a housekeeper. Now, a janitor is responsible for the upkeep and the maintenance of a building or a facility. So maybe in an office, you are cleaning an office like this. You are what? You are a janitor. Can you see the differences now? Yeah. Now, and they handle tasks like mopping, sweeping, and trash removal. They don't use any equipment. That's why in janitorial, you will not see scrubbers in janitorial. Now, custodian. Custodian, they are similar words to janitor. Custodians are responsible for the general cleaning and maintenance of a building. So you will hear custodians mostly in the US. But in Nigeria, we use a lot of janitors because why? We follow the UK standard. So you always hear that, yes, we are janitors. So if you're working in an office, you're a janitor.